Hello guys, today's video is a simple salad and we're going to be using some vermicelli. These ones are big vermicelli made from potatoes. They kind of taste like tapioca, and I guess it's because it's really just a starchy thing. We are going to be needing a few add-ons: the peas, cucumbers, bell peppers and all that. And we're also going to make a nice chunky dressing. First things first, as usual, prepare your vegetables, prepare your ingredients, and we're going to use the peeler just to get large strips of carrots. Next up, we're going to cut the bell peppers also into just thin strips, and then we're going to do the same for the cucumbers. Now for the cucumbers, because we don't want our salad to be excessively soggy, I'm going to just add a little bit of salt to the cucumbers to draw away some of the water, and then squeeze that water out once we're ready to mix the salad together. And then we're also going to be adding a chunky dressing, like I said, and for that we're going to be using some sesame seeds, and we're going to toast those seeds. Just toast them until they are nice and fragrant. And once we've done that, we're going to make our dressing. This dressing just consists of toasted sesame seeds, some cashew nuts, as well as some lemon, some fish sauce. The fish sauce is optional, and then also some red wine vinegar, some oil. You can use olive oil, you can use regular oil, and of course you want to make sure that you're seasoning the dressing very well. The vermicelli are quite bland, so you want to make sure that you've seasoned them well. You can also add salt to the water when you're boiling the vermicelli, but either way you just want to make sure that everything is seasoned well. So we're just going to crush up our sesame seeds, our cashews, mix everything together, get a nice chunky thick creamy texture. We're also going to be adding a bit of ginger to the dressing, not too much. So next up, we're going to boil our vermicelli. The standard vermicelli, they're usually very small or very thin. For these ones, they're quite tough, so you need to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're soft. So we do that, drain that under cold water so that they don't stick together, because these ones have the tendency to stick together. So you are going to want to make sure that you're draining them under water once they come out of the pot. And then it's time to put the salad together. Add all of your ingredients, the peas, the cucumbers, the bell peppers. Mix everything together. Add the dressing, and that is basically everything. So this is a really simple salad to make. You can use any other vermicelli. If you can't find these potato vermicelli, then you can use the thin ones. The full recipe for this, with tips and tricks and substitutions and any more information, is up on gingerandseasalt.com, so be sure to check that out. Also, if you have made any of my recipes, it would really help me if you could leave a comment and a rating on the website. The one thing you don't want is an unseasoned salad, so make sure that you're tasting as you go. And even as you mix the salad dressing with the vermicelli, just make sure that you're tasting to make sure that everything is the way you want it to be. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!